Welcome back, knowledge seekers. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of logical reasoning and explore the fascinating realm of definitions. Definitions play a crucial role in understanding concepts and communicating ideas effectively. So, let's dive into the different types of definitions within logical reasoning. The first type we'll explore is lexical definitions. Lexical definitions are used when we want to convey a term to a wide audience using common usage. They describe how words are genuinely used in a broader context. These definitions, also known as real definitions, help individuals easily and quickly understand the widely known meanings of words. For example, when we say cat, we refer to a common and widely understood meaning. Now, let's move on to persuasive definitions. These definitions give a new conceptual meaning to a familiar word with the conscious or unconscious purpose of changing people's interests or perspectives. They can include emotional meanings and are not general, but rather express individual feelings or viewpoints. By giving new meanings to familiar words, persuasive definitions seek to influence opinions and shape discussions. Next, we have reflexive definitions. In reflexive definitions, the subject and object refer to the same person. These definitions allow individuals to examine their own feelings, reactions, and motives. By exploring one's own internal processes, reflexive definitions promote self-awareness and introspection. Moving forward, let's explore stipulative definitions. Stipulative definitions occur when a new or existing term is given a specific meaning for the purpose of argument or discussion. These definitions are used to introduce new concepts or clarify existing ones in a particular context. They play a vital role in shaping the discourse and fostering effective communication. Now, let's discuss precise definitions. Precise definitions aim to narrow down and summarize complex concepts, making them more concise and accurate. These definitions eliminate vagueness or indefinite meanings, bringing clarity and exactness to the subject matter. By focusing on accuracy and precision, precise definitions provide a solid foundation for understanding. Next up, we have causal definitions. Causal definitions involve identifying the relationship between variables in terms of cause and effect. They explore the processes and mechanisms that connect the independent variable, the cause, to the dependent variable, the effect. Causal definitions help us understand how changes in one variable influence another, shedding light on the underlying dynamics of various phenomena. Lastly, let's explore statistical definitions. Statistical definitions rely on mathematical formulas, models, and technologies to analyze and interpret data. This branch of knowledge deals with data collection, analysis, and interpretation. By applying statistical analysis to raw research data, we can derive meaningful insights and draw accurate conclusions. In summary, definitions are an essential part of logical reasoning. From lexical and persuasive definitions to reflexive, stipulative, precise, causal, and statistical definitions, each type serves a distinct purpose in our pursuit of knowledge and effective communication. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the different types of definitions in logical reasoning. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Keep expanding your knowledge, keep exploring new ideas, and until next time, stay curious.